Hey buddies, hope you're all doing great. Once again, welcome to the Buddy Buds channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on the fun. Let's get started. Today we are going to play Guess the Currency. What is the currency of the United States? A. Euro. B. Dollar. C. Pound. D. Yen. And the answer is, yes, it's dollar. What currency is used in Japan? A. Won. B. Yen. C. Baht. D. Ringgit. And the answer is, yes, it's yen. Which country uses the euro as its currency? A. France. B. India. C. Canada. D. Brazil. And the answer is, yes, it's France and other Eurozone countries. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Pound. B. Rupee. C. Krona. D. Dirham. And the answer is, yes, it's pound. Which currency is used in India? A. Rupee. B. Ringgit. C. Dinar. D. Dollar. And the answer is, yes, it's rupee. Which country uses the Canadian dollar? A. Australia. B. Canada. C. Singapore. D. New Zealand. And the answer is, yes, it's Canada. What is the currency of China? A. Yen. B. Renminbi. C. Peso. D. Franc. And the answer is, yes, it's renminbi. Which of these countries uses the peso? A. Mexico. B. Japan. C. Egypt. D. Sweden. And the answer is, yes, it's Mexico. What is the official currency of Brazil? A. Peso. B. Real. C. Lira. D. Shilling. And the answer is, yes, it's real. Which currency is used in Russia? A. Krone. B. Ruble. C. Hryvnia. D. Dinar. And the answer is, yes, it's ruble. What is the currency of South Korea? A. Won. B. Dong. C. Kyat. D. Peso. And the answer is, yes, it's won. Which country uses the Swiss franc? A. Switzerland. B. Sweden. C. Norway. D. France. And the answer is, yes, it's Switzerland. The official currency of Saudi Arabia is A. Rial. B. Dinar. C. Dirham. D. Peso. And the answer is, yes, it's Rial. Which currency is used in South Africa? A. Rand. B. Shilling. C. Dinar. D. Franc. answer is yes, it's rand. Which country uses the New Zealand dollar? A. New Zealand. B. Australia. C. Canada. D. Singapore. And the answer is yes, it's New Zealand. What is the official currency of Turkey? A. Peso. B. Lira. C. Dinar. D. Franc. And the answer is yes, it's Lira. Which country uses the Vietnamese dong? A. Thailand. B. Vietnam. C. Myanmar. D. Laos. And the answer is yes, it's Vietnam. What is the currency of Argentina? A. Peso. B. Lira. C. Dinar. D. Franc. And the answer is yes, it's peso. Which country uses the Egyptian pound? A. Nigeria. B. Egypt. C. Morocco. D. Kenya. And the answer is yes, it's Egypt. What is the official currency of Nigeria? A. Shilling. B. Naira. C. Dinar. D. Peso. And the answer is yes, it's Naira. Which currency is used in Thailand? A. Yen. B. Baht. C. Won. D. Ringgit. And the answer is yes, it's baht. What is the currency of the United Arab Emirates? A. Rial. B. Dirham. C. Peso. D. Franc. And the answer is yes, it's dirham. Which currency is used in Sweden? A. Euro. B. Krone. C. Krona. D. Franc. And the answer is yes, it's krona. Which country uses the Philippine peso? A. Philippines. B. Malaysia. C. Indonesia. D. Sri Lanka. And the answer is yes, it's Philippines. What is the currency of Malaysia? A. Rupiah. B. Ringgit. C. Peso. D. Dinar. And the answer is yes, it's ringgit. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.